Hey guys, I'm Yuichi Murata. I work as engineering manager. My mission is building the best global engineering team. So please follow me on the Twitter or LinkedIn. I write some blog in a Medium. Appreciate if you can visit my pages. So today, I would like to talk about stretching your interest into goal. So one of the tough question goes to the engineering manager is what's gonna be the good way to kind of develop my career, right? So that I think we have kind of several kind of things we can talk about it. But I always kind of talk about the kind of talk to my subordinate that try to stretch your interest into goal. So basically, there is a gap between the business and the engineering interest in the most of the cases. As the business is pretty much goal oriented. Meantime, engineers are task oriented. So business is the matters of how to develop the business, how to earn the money, resolving the kind of problems, providing the value to the customer. On the other hand, engineers tends to too much focus on how to achieve some goal. So maybe some engineers are talking about, hey, I am very interested into the Kubernetes, or how I am really interested to the kind of AWS, Golang, whatever. That's fine. That's how the engineers tends to be. However, to successful career development, I think you may need to understand that business is goal oriented. Unless the goal is not achieved, you cannot provide the value. That's gonna also limit your potential career growth as well. So that maybe my advice to the some junior engineers gonna be stretching your goal into more goal oriented. I don't mean to say you cannot make an interest into some specific technologies, but I mean to say stretch your interest into goal. So let's assume that you have a quite interested into the Kubernetes, for example, but you want to keep thinking about why I am interested into the Kubernetes. Maybe that's because of the you might have the very frustrated because of the lot of maintenance work on your virtual machines, or maybe that once you install the Kubernetes cluster, there is a much more efficient CI/CD pipeline gets built without paying a lot of maintenance costs, for example. That's gonna result in much more velocities to deliver the new digital product into the customers. So that's gonna make the currently the 1 month lead time to deliver the value to the customers can be dropped to the maybe 1 week lead time. Maybe now you have a correspondence matching of the business values and your interest to the technologies. That's something you would like to think about it. So this is actually exactly the senior role to interconnect them. So basically, good senior engineer can interconnect business interest and the engineer's strengths basically. So the senior's role provide value just because of there is typical gap between the engineering interest and the business interest. So as you keep stretching your goal into the keep stretching your interest into the goal, which is also connected to the business goal, then I think that you have a more skill to interconnect them. That would result in providing more business value. That would result in more chance for the promotions, and more chance to take a senior leadership and so on. That would result in the good career development as a engineer. So that's gonna be the today's talk from my end. I hope this talk gonna be valuable for you. So thank you for watching and see you soon.